Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And is Marks and Spencer's return to sanity occurring? Well, it's definitely returning online in a staggered fashion after that cyber attack of some 6 weeks ago. Well, disruption caused by that episode is still causing the retailers some pain, but as the company kept its powder dry as to whether it has or has not negotiated with the software hostage takers, one can only surmise. However, shares and Marx's up 2.5% on the news that it is now back online. Well, many of us are concerned that we're going to be replaced by AI, but as I so frequently hear, AI should be viewed as collaborators and not replacements. So last week, when Meta, the owner of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, announced that it's going to help advertisers fully create and target campaigns using artificial intelligence tools, sent shockwaves through the traditional marketing industry. This is happening next year, but will it pose a threat to advertising and media agencies that handle client campaigns and budgets? Possibly. We saw shares in WPP drop 3% on that news. But that company already has its own WPP Open AI platforms for clients. So it's already fully embraced the AI revolution and beat Meta to Meta's innovation. Now, that stock has not fared too well over the past 5 years, and maybe one of the reasons that Chief Executive Mark Reed is retiring at the end of the year. So, who might his replacement be? But to put things into perspective, long-term shareholders of WPP, the ones who came in at 88 pence in 1993, have seen a 516% return on their investment. However, rival firm CSaatchi, it held firm on the Meta AI news. This is a share that I highlighted a couple of weeks ago, but who will replace Mark Reed? Now, I look at recent AIM listings. Sunday Bar came to AIM on June the 3rd. It raised £2 million to accelerate the launch of its AI agent platform, the Eponius Sunday Bar. Now, the marketplace platform is designed to connect AI agent developers with businesses and end users seeking intelligent automation solutions. Well, with a market cap of some £39 million, this junior still has much to prove. But like all listed companies and the bosses brave enough to reside on the stock market, I wish them well, and I wish you well too. Hope you well. Take care. I'll be back same time next week.